Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 7, subject maths. Today's topic exercise 11.2, page number 212. So first of all, we just start from try this exercise. In this try this, let's we find out question number 1 and 2. Here parallelogram figure is given, right? Find the area of following parallelogram, where 8 is base and 3.5 centimeter is height. So area of parallelogram in figure 1, base multiplied by height means 8 multiplied by 3.5. While in the case of second, base is 8. So you see this is base and this is altitude, and this altitude, which is altitude means this is height, it is drawn on this base. So we want to find out, but here this size is this length is not given, right? But you know that in parallelogram opposite sides are equal, so 8 centimeter is here, so 8 centimeter is here also. So now this altitude drawn on base, so 8 is our base and height is 3.5 centimeter. In this 8 is base and height is 3.5 centimeter. Here is also 8 centimeter is there, so this is also 8 centimeter. So this is base because altitude is drawn on, right angle is drawn on base, 8 centimeter. This is also 8 centimeter. You see this is height, base, barabar. Altitude is drawn, makes an angle on this base always. So whatever the altitude based on that particular, whatever the altitude is always drawn on base, and that base we are going to take in that value. Okay. So here in that one, base is 8 centimeter, height is 3.5 centimeter. Area of parallelogram, put the formula, base multiplied by altitude, 8 into 3.5, so 280, and you have to cut one decimal point from right to left. 28.0 means 28 centimeters square. Second, now this is second is HW. Okay, now this one is different one. Third one, in parallelogram ABCD, AB is equal to 7.2 centimeter and perpendicular from C on AB is 4.5 centimeter. So its solution is this: ABCD, here I am drawing parallelogram, and perpendicular, you see perpendicular from C on AB. So this is our base 7.2, it is given, and height is 4.5 centimeter. So this, now once you get the height and base, you can find out this area of parallelogram. That do by yourself. Area is equal to base multiplied by altitude. Put the values and find the values by your own way. Now start from example number 6. One of the side and corresponding height of the parallelogram are 4 and 3 centimeter respectively. Now one of the side, that is we take consider as a base, 4 centimeter and height is 3. You are given here also. Okay, so from figure 11.17 you can say base is 4 and height is 3 centimeter. So area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height, 4 3s are 12 centimeter square. Now next example number 7. Find the height x. If the area of the parallelogram is 24 centimeter square, find base. So example number 6, just now I have explained. As per that way you have to write down from the textbook, that is homework. Example number 6. Example number 7, area that is 24 centimeter is given, base is 4 centimeter, and height we have to find out, say x centimeter. So area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. So 24, 4 into x. So x is equal to what? This 4 is multiplied with this. So when it moves to this side, multiply become division. So ये 4 divide में जाएगा, right? So 24 upon 4, 4 6 are 24. So x is equal to 6 centimeter. So height is equal to 6 centimeter. Now example number 8, that is your HW, do from textbook. Example number 9. In example number 9, you look from the figure, page number page number 215, where base is given 4 centimeter in first figure, altitude is given 2 centimeters. So area of triangle PQR is equal to half of base multiplied by altitude as per our formulas list. So half of base means 4, height is 2. So here you can cancel this, 2 cancel. So 4 centimeters square is the first answer. In second, base is 3 centimeters, second figure, height is 2 centimeters. So area of triangle LMN is equal to half of B multiplied by S. Here students, don't confuse, this is nothing but your altitude 2 centimeter. Okay, it is not possible inside, so it will be outside in obtuse triangle. So in obtuse triangle, this altitude is always keep on outside. Okay, so this is H and this is your base. Okay, so don't be confused. So this is the answer. Now example number 10. In example number 10, BC is equal to question mark. Triangle figure is given. You see here BC is equal to, that we have to find out base, altitude 3 centimeter is given, area is given 36. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half of base multiplied by altitude. 36 area is given, half base is BC and height is 3. You see students, now this 2 it is in division. So when it goes to this side, it becomes multiply. So 36 into 2 and now this is multiply. When it goes to this side, it becomes divide. So 36 into 2 upon 3 is equal to BC. So BC is equal to 3 12s are 36. Okay. So 12 2s are 24 centimeters. So BC is equal to 24 centimeters. Dear student, example number 11, you look from figure and here we are going to do this. Number 1, area of triangle PQR is equal to half of base multiplied by altitude, where QR, that is base, is given and height, that is PL, that is pi. Okay, so as per that figure, look the figure from the textbook. So half of 4 into 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 centimeter. Next question, in next to QM, that is that we are going to find out height. In that area is given 10 सेंटीमीटर. जस्ट नाउ देखो हमने ये 10 सेंटीमीटर एरिया फाइंड आउट कर दिया, तो वही ट्राइंगल तो सेम है, बट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट QM हाइट. सो बेस इज गिवन, PR इज इक्वल टू 8 सेंटीमीटर. करेक्ट. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR, ये देखो, here base is here altitude is given and base is given. So by this way, according to this way, we have to find out the first area. Now in this triangle, the base is different now. The base is PR. This is altitude QM, that we are going to find out. So area of triangle is equal to half of base multiply by, अभी base PR लेना है और ये height लेना है, तो एरिया हमारा यही होगा जो अभी अभी हमने फाइंड आउट किया. Right, so area is remain 10 into 2 upon 8 is simplified. You will get QM is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Dear students, exercise 11.2. In question number 1, this is the homework A to E. Just now in example, just now we have understood exactly that way. We are doing this question number 1. Question number 2 is also homework. Question number 3, A. Now we are doing this. Base B is equal to 20 centimeter. Height is equal to question mark and area is 24. 246 centimeter square is given. It is given in table form, right? So area 246 20 into H. So H is equal to 246 upon 20. So H is equal to 12.3. How it is? It comes like this way, right? 246 divided by 20. 20 ones are 20, then 46. Then 22s are 40, then extra 0. When we put extra 0, at that time we put decimal point. 23s are 60, like this way. B, C and D from that table you have to find out by yourself. Question number 4. You look from textbook. Base is given. 15 centimeter height we have to find out. Area is given, so we put this in triangle area. This time triangle is there, so we put the formula of half of BH triangle. 87, this divide, it goes into this side, it becomes multiple, and multiply become divide like this way. And then 87 cancellation is not possible, so multiplying numerator only. 87 into 2, that is 174, divide by 5, we will get these answers. The remaining one, that exercise of this question number 4, second and third, do by yourself, that is homework. Question number 5, 6, 7 and 8, it is also homework. Exactly do that just now we have understood, right? No new method is there. Area of circle. Next point, we know that area of circle formula is pi r square. Here pi is equal to 22 upon 7 or 3.14 that we are going to take. Now area of this means what? Circle. So area of circle also you can represent like this way. Question mark we are going to find out. Example number 17. Radius is equal to 30 centimeter. Here it is given in textbook. Use pi equal to 3.14. तो यहाँ 3.14 लेना है. देखो a equal to pi r square. 3.14 into 30 square means 30 multiplied by 30, 2 times r square means. So now 3.14, तो डेसिमल में उसमें उसको कन्वर्ट करो, है ना, फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर दो. 314, 2 डेसिमल है तो नीचे 20 रखो, एक डेसिमल है तो 10, लाइक दैट. 314 upon 100, 30 multiplied by 30, 0 gone. Then what is remaining? 314 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 314 multiplied by 9, ultimately you will get the answer 2826 centimeter square. Example number 8. Diameter, that is 9.8 meter is given. Here you use 22 upon 7. Radius, so when diameter is given, immediately you have to find out radius. So radius is equal to diameter upon 2. So 9.8 upon 2, that is equal to 4.9 centimeter. Here a, that we are going to find out area. So area is equal to pi r square. And here you just put the value 2.22 upon 7 into 4.9 into 4.9. Now convert them into simple fraction. 49 upon 10 you can do. Simplify, make it simplify. So here remaining 11 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 49 upon 10. So now multiply in numerator. 11 7s are 77, 77 49s are 3773, and 10 here one thing is remain. 10 5s are 50. Denominator 10 5s are 50 is there. This 5 and 10. So 10 5s are 50. So 3773 upon 50 you will get 75.46 meters square. Okay. Now exercise 11.3. Question number 1a, where we are going to find out circumference. So radius is given 14 centimeters. Circumference formula 2 pi r. 2. Here we take the value of 2. वैल्यू ऑफ पाई 22 अपॉन 7. देखो बच्चों, जब रेडियस है ना 7 के टेबल में आता है ना, तो आप 22 अपॉन 7 ही लो. देखो 7 2 जा 14, तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो 22 2 2 जा 4, 22 4 जा 88 centimeter. B and C, that is homework. Question number 2 A B C is homework. So till here we do this. Next time we will do next exercise. Have a nice day. Thank you.